Hello everyone, my name is Mohan Kunjam and today I am going to explain my AI powered content generator project built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and the Gemini API. Okay, allowed to user this project allowed to users to ask question, generate, summarize, get creative ideas and find definition. Okay, let's see how to uh, let's see how the project work step by step. Okay, project overview. Okay, the main goal of this project is to take user input, send it to Google Gemini AI model and display the generate response on the screen. The workflow is first will user input, prompt creation, Gemini API and AI response and output display. For example, I want to see you I want to show you. Wait. I'm doing open with Lizer. Okay. How first will user input hi. Okay, and after that prompt creation uh, encode. After that Gemini API will calling. Okay, and after that AI response. After that output display. Okay, so how I did. Okay, so first I target selecting HTML element. Okay, first I selected all required HTML element using get element by ID. For example, const generate button is equal to document get element by ID, uh, double quote generate button. Okay, const input text is equal to document dot get element by ID, uh, parenthesis sorry uh, parenthesis double quote input text. This is the selecting HTML element. Okay, this variable allow JavaScript to interact with the web page element. For example, generate button refer to the generate button, input text store the user text, output display the AI response. So step 2 is I used here event listener, uh, okay, and arrow function. Okay, next I used and event listener to detect button click. So I have used for detect button click generate button a event listener. Okay, inside I write parenthesis, inside the parenthesis double quote click comma async arrow function. Okay, this is arrow function. Here I used an arrow function. Let's compare with the regular function and arrow function. Okay, so I want to show you regular function and arrow function. Okay, the regular function is this. For example, I write here add. Okay, inside I will pass parameters a and b. Okay, I'm right here return. This is a regular function. Okay, a plus b. This is regular function. Okay, so how it arrow function features. Arrow function is shorter and cleaner function. Arrow function are shorter and cleaner function widely used in modern JavaScript. Okay, input validation. Let's do comment I it. Okay, the arrow function is shorter and cleaner function. I write here. Uh, okay, for example, const add is equal to parenthesis inside the parameters a and b. Okay, I'm right here is equal to arrow and a plus b. This is regular function. Okay, and also return the implicit, but here return in regular function it will return explicit. Okay, but it is written implicit. Okay, so input validation. Before sending data to the API, I check whether the user entered any text. Okay, and prompt engineering. Okay, this is prompt engineering. For example, based on the selected features difference prompt are created. Okay, example, prompt to answer this question clearly, but here user input. Okay, prompt is answer this question clearly, user input which are uh, match that value. Okay, this is value. Okay, means user want to ask something, so user will click ask button, so it will match that value, and after that execute that code. Okay, and note forward. Okay, that thing. Okay, async function I used here, async, asynchronous. Okay, now let's discuss one of the most important concept, async and await. The API requests take time because data must travel between the browser and Google server. Okay, that's why I use. Okay, that's why I use async function. Okay, the async keyword allowed to use await inside the function. For example, uh, let's go to the C here. Uh, const response await fetch. This is URL. Okay, and the await keyword pose only this async function until the API response. Okay, it does not freeze the entire web page. This make the application responsive and efficient. And Fetch. Okay, Fetch API to communicate with Gemini AI. I use the Fetch API const response. This is the URL, method post header, content type column application. The Fetch API send the user prompt to Gemini, received an AI generated response. Real world use of Fetch include weather application, social media, e-commerce website, and chatbot sending JSON data. Okay, the request body is covered into JSON format. Okay, body colons JSON dot string up, it will convert to the this structure tell Gemini exactly what text should be analyzed. Okay, error handling using try catch. Okay, network issue or API errors can occur at any time. To handle this situation safety, I use try catch. Okay, if an error occur, the application display a meaningful message instead of crashing output dot text content. Okay, this is output dot text content. This is one variable. Okay, this is keyword. Okay, uh, displaying AI response. After receiving data from Gemini X, I extract the generated text. Okay, data candidate, that thing. Okay, data candidate content, that thing. Okay, and real world application. Okay, this project can be explained into chatbot, AI study assistant, content writing tools, customer conclusion. Okay, now I'm giving conclusion. To summarize this project, demonstrate several important modern JavaScript concept: DOM manipulation, event listener, outer function, input validation, prompt engineering, async and await, fetch API, try catch, and error handling. These concepts are essential building modern web application are powered AI tool. Okay, so let's we will try. So I have left one thing, const, let, and where. Okay, where is function scope variable, and let is block scope variable. Const is also block scope variable. In const we can't be redeclare and we can't be reassign. Okay, and we have to must uh, declare. We can't do without uh, assign. Okay, if we don't assign in const it will give the error. Okay, and let is also block scope code. Inside the curly braces we will write something. If we will access to the in outside uh, from I'm explaining here. Okay, yeah, let uh, score is equal to 10, I can be reassign. Okay, score sorry, I can be reassign 40. It will not give error, but in the case const, it will give the error. Pi is equal to 30 40, and I want to reassign that. It will give the error. Okay, it will give the error because of in const we can't do reassign and redeclare. Okay, this is uh, const difference between constant let where. Okay, where is global scope function, also function scope. Thank you.